Hey everyone, my name is Nicole, and this presentation is a quick summary of chapters 3, 4, and 5 of Reinventing Project-Based Learning. Chapter 3. So chapter 3 is all about starting with the big idea. Instead of just saying, let's do a fun project, this chapter makes you think, what do I really want my students to understand? What's the main concept, and how would the project help me get there? The goal is deeper learning, not just busy work. This chapter also talks about making projects feel real. Kids learn better when they connect it to actual life. The example of the 1,000 Names Wiki was cute because it helps students see what 1,000 actually looks like. And it reminds us that good projects don't stay in one subject. They naturally overlap into reading, math, writing, tech, and more. Chapter 3 also brings in the 21st century skills. So not just reading and writing, but actually thinking, creating, collaborating, and using technology in meaningful ways. Basically, projects should help students learn how to function in the real world, not just memorize facts. And honestly, when kids care about something, they go deeper without us having to push them. Chapter 4. It focuses on what makes a good project. A strong project has a real question behind it. Something kids want to explore or solve. They need choices. Kids shouldn't all turn in the same exact poster. And again, the best projects blend subjects naturally, not just real life. This chapter also points out common project mistakes. A lot of projects look long, but don't actually teach much. That's a big one. Another is using technology just to look fancy, like Googling and making a slideshow. And things can be cute, but shallow if they don't go anywhere. The worst is projects that are step by step that students don't actually think they're just following directions. Chapter 4 also explains where good project ideas come from. Honestly, everywhere. News stories, kids' questions, real problems in the community, or even updating an old project. It also talks about assess mapping, which is basically listing out all the strengths and resources you already have, students, families, staff, and tools, and using them to make the project stronger. Chapter 5 switches into project management. Teachers in project-based learning are pretty much project managers. We organize time, supplies, people, and technology. And students learn those skills by watching how we handle things. This chapter also talks about managing time and teams. Using a simple timeline with a smaller deadlines helps kids stay on track. Teamwork has to be intentional, mixing strengths, using team contracts, and checking in so the kid isn't doing all the work. And we can't wait until the end to assess. We need to guide them during the process. And last, Chapter 5 shows how technology can actually make project management easier. Things like Google Docs, calendars, wikis, and online spaces help students organize their work, keep track of deadlines, and collaborate better. It's not about using tech just to use it. It's about choosing tools that actually support learning. And this is my chapter summaries on chapters 3, 4, and 5. Thank you.